What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a Tahoe all the way from Phoenix, Arizona. Plain Tahoe, 2-door OBS. We're gonna be doing a panoramic sunroof on it with starlights and a black suede headliner. This thing is clean. Customer just showed up now. I'm gonna help him unload it and then go from there. Let's check it out. Panoramic starlights, black suede. This thing is gonna look badass. I like how it has a no tin on the ride. This thing is clean. I did ask the customer to go ahead and remove the seats. He actually removed the panels and all that, which makes my job a lot easier. That way I can give it back to him sooner. All I gotta do is unbolt this side of the bench seat and then pull this one out too, because since the welding part comes in play, I won't be able to I don't want to burn the seats or anything like that. So best thing to do is to remove it, or if he didn't remove it, I would have to remove it, but it just takes a little bit more time. Check it out. I'm gonna start cutting, measuring the bracket and see where exactly we gotta cut and where we're gonna start and end the bracket. Guys, we got the roof painted, bodywork. That's it for the Tahoe. This thing came out clean. Customer just came, picked it up, do a little rolling shot, go from there. There she goes.